Your Pennsylvania permit test could ask any of these. 20 real questions from the official handbook, answers explained one by one. Count your correct answers as we go. Here comes question 1. Question 1. U-turns are generally prohibited. A. At any intersection. B. At all locations, U-turns are illegal everywhere. C. Where signs prohibit them, on hills or curves where visibility is limited, in intersections with heavy traffic and near schools or fire stations. D. Only at traffic light intersections. The correct answer is C. U-turns are prohibited where signed, on hills and curves, limited sight distance, in busy intersections, near fire stations and emergency facilities, and in school zones. Only perform a U-turn when you have clear visibility and it is legal. Question 2. Pennsylvania requires headlights to be turned on whenever A. It is raining or snowing. B. Windshield wipers are in use due to weather. C. Visibility drops below 500 feet. D. Any of the above conditions apply. The correct answer is D. Pennsylvania requires headlights when visibility is less than 500 feet, about 1/10 mile, when windshield wipers are in use due to weather, and from sunset to sunrise. Basically, if conditions reduce visibility, use your headlights. Question 3. When driving at night and following another vehicle, you should dim your high beams when you are within A. 500 feet, B. 300 feet, C. 200 feet, D. 100 feet. The correct answer is B. When following another vehicle at night, you must dim your high beams when within 300 feet of the vehicle ahead to prevent blinding the driver through their mirrors. Question 4. A tow truck is stopped on the highway shoulder with its amber lights flashing. You must A. Continue at normal speed. Amber lights are advisory only. B. Move over to the lane farthest from the tow truck, or slow down significantly if changing lanes is unsafe. C. Only slow down if the tow truck driver is outside the vehicle. D. Move over only if a traffic sign requires it. The correct answer is B. Most states have extended move-over laws to cover tow trucks with amber lights active. Move to the adjacent lane away from the tow truck, or reduce speed if a lane change cannot be made safely. Question 5. What is the zipper merge technique at highway lane closures? A. Merging immediately when you first see a lane closed sign. B. Using the full length of the closing lane and alternating turns with traffic in the open lane at the merge point. C. A technique only for trucks and buses. D. Cutting in front of other vehicles at the last possible moment. The correct answer is B. The zipper merge is recommended by transportation agencies. Use the entire length of the closing lane and take turns merging at the designated merge point, one vehicle at a time. It reduces backup length and improves traffic flow. Question 6. When entering a roundabout, who has the right-of-way? A. The entering vehicle always has the right-of-way. B. Vehicles already in the roundabout have the right-of-way. Entering vehicles must yield. C. The vehicle on the right has the right-of-way at all roundabout entries. D. Traffic signals inside the roundabout control right-of-way. The correct answer is B. At a roundabout, vehicles already circulating inside have the right-of-way. Entering vehicles must yield and wait for a safe gap in circulating traffic before entering. Question 7. A properly fastened seat belt should A. Be worn under the arm for a better fit. B. Have 2-3 inches of slack for comfort. C. Lie flat across the chest and hips with no slack. D. Be loose enough to allow free arm movement. The correct answer is C. A seat belt must lie snugly against your body with no slack. Excess slack allows your body to move too far forward in a crash before the belt engages, reducing its effectiveness. Question 8. If you're unsure whether a new prescription will impair your driving, what is the recommended first step? A. Take the full dose and see how you feel while driving to a familiar destination. B. Ask your doctor or pharmacist specifically about driving-related side effects before getting behind the wheel. C. Only worry about it if the label mentions drowsiness explicitly. D. Assume it's fine since it was prescribed by a doctor. The correct answer is B. A doctor or pharmacist can tell you whether a medication or a new dosage is likely to affect reaction time or alertness, which is safer than testing it out while actually driving. Question 9. In a construction zone, you should maintain what following distance from the vehicle ahead? A. 1 car length per 10 mph. B. The normal 2-second following distance. C. At least 3 seconds more than normal. D. As close as possible to keep traffic moving. The correct answer is C. Construction zones have more hazards and slower, unpredictable traffic. You should increase your following distance to at least 3 seconds to allow more stopping time. Question 10. The comfort zone in driving refers to A. The area of temperature control in your vehicle. B. The space around your vehicle in all directions that gives you time and room to react. Maintaining it reduces crash risk. C. The speed range at which your specific vehicle handles best. D. The distance from which you can see traffic signals clearly. The correct answer is B. Your comfort zone, space cushion, is the safe space you maintain around your vehicle in all directions, front, rear, and sides. Maintaining it gives you room to maneuver and react to hazards from any direction. Question 11. What does an END school zone sign indicate? A. School is dismissed for the day. B. The reduced school zone speed limit no longer applies beyond this point. Resume normal posted speed. C. A school bus route ends at this point. D. Children must no longer be present on the road. The correct answer is B. End school zone signs mark where school zone regulations, reduced speed, heightened pedestrian attention no longer apply. You may resume normal posted speeds beyond this sign. Question 12. This sign warns you that A. The road is closed to bicycles. B. Bicyclists may be crossing or entering the road. C. A bike lane begins ahead. D. Bicyclists must yield here. The correct answer is B. A bicycle crossing sign warns drivers that cyclists may cross or enter the roadway ahead. Slow down and watch for bicyclists. Question 13. What is trip planning and how does it reduce crash risk? A. Buying a map before a road trip. B. Planning your route, estimated drive time, fuel stops, and rest breaks before departing reduces time pressure, prevents distracted in-car navigation, and allows scheduled fatigue breaks. C. Only necessary for trips over 300 miles. D. Required by law for drivers with CDL licenses. The correct answer is B. Pre-trip planning reduces the need to navigate while driving, eliminates time pressure, a major factor in aggressive driving, ensures scheduled rest stops, and allows you to identify potential hazard areas, construction, mountain passes in advance. Question 14. When leaving a parallel parking space, you should A. Check mirrors only and pull directly into traffic. B. Signal left, check mirrors, check over your shoulder, then merge into traffic when safe, yield to oncoming vehicles. C. Pull directly out since parked vehicles have the right-of-way. D. Only signal when there is heavy traffic. The correct answer is B. When leaving a parallel space, signal left, check mirrors, do a head check for approaching vehicles and cyclists, and yield to all traffic before entering the roadway. You have no right-of-way when leaving a parking space. Question 15. What hand position and technique do many instructors teach for backing a vehicle with a trailer attached? A. Keep both hands at the top of the wheel at all times. B. Place your hand at the bottom of the steering wheel. Moving it right moves the trailer right and left moves it left. C. Steer exactly as you would without a trailer attached. D. Look only in the rearview mirror, never the side mirrors. The correct answer is B. Placing a hand at the bottom of the wheel while backing with a trailer makes the trailer's movement match your hand's direction, which many find more intuitive than the reversed motion of normal steering. Question 16. This sign means A. The tracks are only used for scenic tours. B. This intersection has no railroad tracks nearby. C. This sign only applies if a train is currently visible. D. Railroad tracks run parallel to a side road that intersects here. Watch for trains, especially if you're turning onto that side road. The correct answer is D. This sign warns that tracks run alongside a road joining from the side. A driver turning onto that side road needs to check for trains along it. Question 17. What does defensive driving ultimately aim to prevent? A. Only preventing at-fault crashes. B. Crashes of all types, including those that would have been another driver's fault, by maintaining margins that allow escape even when others make errors. C. Only violations and citations. D. Only serious injury accidents. The correct answer is B. Defensive driving aims to prevent all crashes, even those technically caused by others. By maintaining margins, scanning ahead, and having escape routes, a defensive driver can avoid a crash that an inattentive driver would suffer even when they had right-of-way. Question 18. The best way to check your following distance is A. Count car lengths. B. Estimate in feet. C. Use the 3-second rule. D. Watch your speedometer. The correct answer is C. Pick a fixed object. When the vehicle ahead passes it, count seconds until you reach it. Should be at least 3 seconds. Question 19. A weave lane is a lane where drivers A. May park briefly during traffic. B. Are not allowed to change lanes. C. Must drive below 25 mph. D. Both enter and exit the freeway in the same area. The correct answer is D. Weave areas combine entering and exiting traffic. Watch carefully, signal early, and leave extra space for vehicles crossing paths. Question 20. An overhead lane control signal showing a steady yellow X above your lane means A. That lane is closing ahead, move to another lane as soon as safely possible. B. The lane is closed and you may not use it at all. C. You must stop immediately in that lane. D. The lane is reserved for HOV traffic only. The correct answer is A. A steady yellow X warns that the lane control signal is about to change to a red X, indicating the lane is about to close, so drivers should move over before the closure takes effect. Nice work making it to the end. For the full Pennsylvania practice experience, every sign, every rule, completely free, head to dmvprep.org/app or search DMV Prep in your app store. Your first try pass starts there.